Alright, brace yourselves. We're diving headfirst into the flavorful world of a classic British dish, beef Wellington. A tender filet mignon smothered in a layer of mushroom Duxelles, all wrapped up in a beautiful puff pastry crust. It's a culinary masterpiece that might seem intimidating at first glance, but with the right guidance, you'll be whipping up a beef Wellington that'd make even the Queen proud. First off, secure a prime cut of beef fillet. Season it generously with salt and pepper. Make sure to sear all sides until they're a rich golden brown. Chestnut mushrooms and shallots. Sauté them in a hot pan with a bit of garlic until they've sweated off their moisture and you're left with a thick, fragrant mixture. This, my friends, is your Duxelles. Now lay out your prosciutto on a sheet of cling film. Spread your Duxelles over the prosciutto, creating an even layer. Place your beef in the middle, then roll it up tightly using the cling film, twisting the ends to secure it. Pop this in the fridge to chill for 15 minutes. While waiting, roll out your puff pastry. Once the beef is chilled, remove the cling film and place it in the center of the pastry. Fold it over the beef, cutting off any excess, but leaving enough to seal it. Brush the pastry with beaten egg yolk for that glossy finish. Place your wrapped beef in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Bake it for 20 minutes for medium rare, or longer if you prefer it well done. Once it's a beautiful golden brown, remove it from the oven and let it rest. To recap, sear the beef, brush with mustard, prepare your Duxelles, wrap the beef in prosciutto and Duxelles, then in puff pastry, and finally, bake to perfection. And there you have it. A beef Wellington fit for a king or a queen or anyone who appreciates a good, hearty meal. Alright folks, the moment we've all been waiting for, the grand reveal. Let's slice into this masterpiece. As the knife smoothly cuts through the golden puff pastry, there's a gentle crunch, a testament to the perfect bake. And there, are you seeing this? The steam escapes, wafting up that succulent aroma we've been tantalized by, and inside, the beef, oh, the beef. Juicy, medium rare, just as we wanted. Look at that, a perfectly cooked beef Wellington, ready to grace your table and delight your taste buds. Now that's a sight to savor.
Let me know if you want me to do more of these videos. I'll do them for you. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.